Welcome to Homaxi. In this video, we'll be guiding you on how to connect Homaxi's IPC to a third-party NVR using a PoE connection. Stay with us. Support for activation using Homaxi NVR, Homaxi Tool, and IPC web browser. Here, we'll use Homaxi Tool as an example. Connect the Homaxi IPC to a switch using an Ethernet cable. Then connect the switch to the computer. Open Homaxi Tool. Activate the IPC. And configure the appropriate security measures. Make sure that the NVR has been activated, and change the on-dev protocol password of the NVR to the password for activating the IPC. Use an Ethernet cable for the PoE connection. And wait a moment for successful connection. Homaxi IPC supports the standard on-dev protocol. Once connected to the PoE NVR, it supports configuration for preview, playback, and motion detection, among other features. That's all for today's tutorial. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel.